How to repaste a Dell E7270. But first, prepare the tools you'll need. Pause the video now and gather them. Lay your laptop down on its back to open its bottom case. There will be a total of 8 screws holding the bottom case. Here, I'm using a 0-point Phillips screwdriver. Use a plastic spudger to remove the bottom case. Inspect the bottom case for dirt or debris. Here, I saw some liquid marks, but no liquid damage inside the board. Always remove the battery first before doing anything. There will be 4 screws securing the heatsink and 2 on the fan. Here, I'm removing the fan cable. Sorry for blocking. Firstly, I'll remove the screws holding the fan. Next, I'll be removing the 4 screws holding the heatsink. After removing the screws, gently pull the heatsink. Look at that crusty thermal paste. Now, I'll clean the old thermal paste using a plastic spudger, cotton swabs, and 99% alcohol. Voila! Clean as new. I'm using the Arctic MX6 thermal paste. Don't forget to apply generously. Align the mounting holes of the heatsink before putting it in place. First, put the 2 screws holding the fan. Next, put the 4 screws holding the heatsink. Make sure to follow the pattern. Lastly, connect the fan cable and the battery cable. A little cleaning goes a long way. To put the bottom case back, just tighten the 8 screws holding it. Congrats! You've successfully repasted your Dell Latitude E7270. If you want more content like this, please subscribe, leave a comment, and like the video. Thanks.